So hello guys, so meron tayo ditong standard Swift Black magnetic capsule. Yan guys, so expose yung kanyang magnet sa edge. Open natin. Guys. Yan guys. So wala siyang inclusion, cube lang. So, sample natin. Yan. Yung kanyang internals. Guys, so magnetic version lang siya, wala siyang core magnet. Tsaka wala rin siyang corner magnets. Edge meron exposed, tas sa corner exposed din. Guys, magnetic. Guys. Oop. Yes. Sample solve tayo. It's 13.62 seconds. So yung Swift Black natin guys nasa yellow basket. Check out na lang guys. Thank you.